Welcome to Tyme tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to customize and apply notification settings on your Tyme website. With just a few simple steps, you can ensure your notifications are tailored to your needs, giving your site a clean, professional, and personalized feel. Let's get started. Access the notification settings. On the left-hand side, open the main menu. Click on Settings, and then select Notification Settings. Here, you'll find all the tools to customize the look and behavior of your website notifications. Customize your notifications. Click Email. On the right sidebar, choose the email notifications you'd like to receive. Toggle on the ones relevant to your business. Click Slack. Tick the status option to enable it. You'll see the Slack webhook field and a notification logo. Add your Slack webhook to receive alerts in your Slack channel. Click Push Notification. From the right sidebar, select the push notifications you want to receive. These keep you updated instantly on all the important events. Once you're happy with your setup, click Save. Your website will instantly update with the new notification settings. That's it. You've successfully customized your Tyme website notifications and made it uniquely yours. For more tips and tutorials, stay tuned to Tyme, your all-in-one business management solution.